Hi everyone, you're welcome to my Igbo learning space. My name is Chinyere and I am glad that you're here to learn Igbo with me. Thank you for stopping by. So today, I'll be teaching you more about the alphabet. I promise that the alphabet video that I dropped, I'm going to explain more in details so that you'll be able to understand what words you can derive from them. Okay, so if you check our alphabet video, you're going to see that I just tell you how to pronounce them, how to say the alphabet. But in this video, I'm going to give you some word examples. Okay, so in our letter of the alphabet, the first letter is A. A. If I say Bomaka, Bomaka is for. It means is for. Just like in English language, when you say A is for apple, I will say A Bomaka, apple. But A is not apple in Igbo language. No, I'm just trying to explain so that you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so A Bomaka, Akpa. Akpa is bag in Igbo language. So A Bomaka, Akpa. A Bomaka, Azu. If you've watched our video about animals, you know that what Azu is. Azu is fish. So A Bomaka, Azu. A Bomaka, Anya, your eyes. If you've watched our video about the parts of the body, you know that A Bomaka, eyes is Anya. Okay? So the next letter of the alphabet is B. In Igbo alphabet, remember in Igbo alphabet, they are not complete as in English language. And there are more of them in Igbo language. So if you're confused, go back to our video of the alphabets in Igbo language. Okay? So the next one is B. B. Bomaka, ball. Ball. In Igbo we call it ball. I know you know what I'm talking about now. That is ball. B-A-L-L. B-A-L-L. Ball in English. But in Igbo it is called ball. You will see it on your screen. So they are the same thing, but different spelling. Okay? So, Bomaka, Bia. When you tell somebody, Bia, you're telling the person to come. Okay? Bia is come. Then Bule, Bule, that's lift. Lift. Bule iha elu. Lift this thing up. That is bo. Okay? That is in our bo. Then you can say Biko. Biko means please. If you've watched our video that explains the various ways of greeting in Igbo language, you will know, you will understand when I explain about Biko. So you can say Biko. So the next letter of the alphabet is Che. Che. The way it is sounding, Che, Che. Cheta. Cheta. Cheta means remember. Cheta. Chetam. Remember me. Is me. So chetam. Chere. Wait. Chere means wait. Chota. Find. Chota means find. Chia. Smile. Chia ochi. Laugh. The same thing, but a bit tricky. Chia ochi. Smile. Or you can say laugh. They are the same thing. Then another one is D. D. Bomaka. Dalo. If you've watched our video about greetings, you will know what Dalo means. So Dalo is thank you. Okay, it means thank you. Then we have another one, Dokinta. Dokinta. Is it ringing a bell? It means doctor. Dokinta in English language is called a doctor. So the bomaka dokinta. You know go. So the next letter end of the alphabet is A. Bomaka ewu. Ewu is goat. Ewu. Enwe, monkey. Remember our video of the animals. Enwe, monkey. Ezi, pig. The next one is fo. Fe. So we have different fees. Fe, the fe. There are many in Igbo language. You can say feaka. That is wave your hands. That is feaka. You can say fechuku, worship God. Okay? So, you know, some languages can be like that. So, another one is g. Bomaka go. You can say go egu. You can say go akoko. Go egu means sing song. Egu is song or music. Then go akoko. Akoko means what? Book. That is read for me. Go means read. Or you can say go means sing. Sing. So you can say ga, go. Ga neighbor, go to that place. Okay, go to that place. So you can say gozie, bless. Gozie chuku, bless me, Lord. Gozie chuku, bless me, Lord. After G, don't be confused. We have B. See how to pronounce it. B. Bring your two lips together. B. B. Can you do it? B. B. So, B can be for bako, that is come together, assemble. When you tell people to assemble, when they come together, it means bako. Okay? So another one can be ba. You can say ba ball. Remember what ball is? Ba ball. Play the ball. Play the ball. Okay? That is, or you can say kick the ball. Just ba ball. So another one is R. R. If you listen to me very well, you will hear the sound. I'll say it again. R. 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 Bomaka. Rota. Rota. Understand. Rota. Understand. So we can say Roro. 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 Apple. That is, you should pluck an apple. Pluck. That is Roro. Okay? So the next one on our alphabet board is Go. We are still in the G family. So we have Go. Go. Bomaka. Go. Heal. Go Moria. Heal my sickness, my ailment. Okay? That is Go. Then you can go to the next alphabet that is after the G family, which is H. That is H. H. The H makes the sound H. you can use it for hicha, that is clean. Hicha, hicha elu tebụl ahụ. You know what is table? Table. Table is table. The same thing, but different spellings, okay? So, hicha elu tebụl ahụ. Clean table, okay? So, you can say hụọ ọka. Hụọ ọka means roast that corn. Roast that yam, depending on the noun you want to use, okay? Depending on what you want to let them to roast. So, but at the course of this class, I'm using oka, that is hụọ ọka. So, another one is e. So, if you come to the I family, you have two. That is e and e. E, e. Okay, they are a bit confusing, but they are not the same. So if you listen very well, you will know the difference. You have e, e, e. So e is what we're talking about now. So you can derive some word from which can be ite. Can you hear that now? Ite. That is hot. Isi. Remember, isi means head. Isi. Iko, that is cup. Iko, cup. Then let us come to e. E sound. So when you come to e, you have iba. 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 Do you understand now the difference? So that is why it is good. When you're writing it, you write it, define it so that people will be able to understand what you exactly mean. If you don't put the dots under the A, people will not be able to interpret it well. Okay? So, eba. Eba is drum. You know, drum for music. Then we have iko akoko. Iko akoko. That is telling a story. Remember, we have iko in e, but now we have iko, the same spelling, just that dot under it is the thing that makes you to know the particular thing that the writer is talking about. Okay? So we have ininya. Ininya is a horse. Is horse in Igbo language. So we come to the next alphabet, which is J. J. G. Have words like G. G is yam. Yam in Igbo language. Okay? So it is yam. You say G. G. Nyem ji ahụ. Give me that yam. Achọrọ m iri ji. I want to eat yam. That is when you want to use and make a sentence. So, another one is draw, ask. Draw ma jojo. Ask me a question. Okay? Then we have jide. Jide, hold. Jidere mi ha. Okay, let's use the word that we have used before. Jide aba. Jidere m akpa, or you can say jidere m akpam. Hold my bag for me. Hold my bag for me. Jidere m akpam. If you want to use that mixed sentence, akpa is bag, remember. So we have the next alphabet, which is K. That is K. Okay, K. So, the words in K can be Kedu. They are Kedu. That is, how are you? Kedu, how. How is Kedu. Then when you say how are you, it's Kedu Kimere. How are you doing? It's Kedu Kimere. How are you doing? Okay? Then we have, in the K family, it has family. There are three. Three siblings. So the another one under K is P. Look at my lips. P. P. It is not B in the G family. No, it is P. So P, not B. Try and get it correct. P. Okay. So P is for Banko. Ba. That is go and fetch firewood. Fetch firewood. Ba. You can say Bakbandu. Bakbandu. Star. Star is called Bakbandu. Okay? You're doing amazing. If you've made it to this point, you did absolutely amazing. Take your stars, okay? Bravo. Take your Bakbandu. So another one we have is Ko. You know, in the G family we have Go. Is Go. This one we have Ko. Ko in the K family. So Ko can be maka Ko. That is talk. Ko oku, say something. Ko no kun, say something. And say ko kubiko, say something please. Okay? Then you can tell someone Kose, stop. Kose, that is stop in the Ko family in alphabet. The next one we have is L. You can say Lacha, that is lick. Lacha oroma, lick the orange. Oroma is orange, okay? Lacha. So you can say Lota, remember. Lotam, remember me. The next one we have is Bomaka, Mado, that is human. Mado is a human person, okay? You can say Miri. Miri is water. Miri is what? Water. You can say Mbe. Mbe, that is a tortoise. A tortoise is called Mbe. Okay? So the letter N is pronounced N. N. So Nketa. Nketa. That is a dog. Then Nkuzi, teach. Then when you want to say Onye Nkuzi, it means a teacher. Teach. Nkuzi. Teacher is what? Good. Onye Nkuzi. Brilliant. The next one in the no family is Nga. Nga. So you can say Ngo Miri, that is drink water. Ngo Miri. Then you can say Ngorea, rejoice. Ngorea. Then when you want to talk about another part of the family, another part of N is Ngo. Ngo. You can say Mwamba. Remember what Mwamba is? In our animal video, it is called a cat. Mwamba. Okay? Then Nwoke. Nwoke. That is a man. Then a woman is Nwanyi. Nwanyi. Okay? Then in the family again, the last one is Nye. Nye. Okay? You can say Nye. Nye, give. Nyere maka, help me. That is nyere maka. Nyere. Okay? Give. Nye or nyere. Give. So when you want to tell somebody to help you, say nyere maka. Okay? Then we'll move to the next letter. O. Letter O. O. You have O. Just like in E. We have O. Okay? So the first O is O. You can say okay. Okay, that is rat. Okay. Then O is okoko. If you don't put the dot, the person that is interpreting it might not know what you wrote. So okoko, that is in O, not O. Oko, oko, that is fire. Fire. Then we move to P, that is po. Po. You can say pota. Pota, come out. Come out is pota. Popo. I know you know what I mean. Popo is what? Popo. It's just different spelling. They are the same pronunciation. Okay. Then the next one is R. R. Okay. You can say rie. When you say rie, it means eat. Rie, eat. Rienri, eat food. Ria. Ria oria. Ria is sick. Or you can say ria, like ria oria is sick. Then ria elu is climb. So you need to differentiate the ria you are talking about with another word. Like ria oria. If you say oria, the person will know that you're talking about sickness. Then if you say ria elu, the person will know that you're talking about climb. Ria elu osisi, that is climb a tree. Osisi is tree. So another one is rahora. Rahora, that is sleep. Okay. Rapomaka, leave me. Rapomaka, leave me alone. So aka hand is not there. Aka means hand. But when you tell somebody to rapomaka, it means leave me alone. Remove your hand from my body. What is aho? So it's just to define what we mean. Okay. So another one is so. So you can say sienri. Sienri, cook food. Cook is sie. Swo is pound. Swo ose, pound pepper. See, tail. Tail is see. Then the next word is she. She. You can say isha. That is in the family. Isha. That is crayfish. We have t. T. Ta. Tata is today. Tinye. Put. Topo. Lose. Okay, lose. Then we have o. O, that is in the U family. So e, o, and o, they have dots too, and they have dots. One have dots, one does not have dots. So when you say u, the first one, unere, that is banana. Unere. Then we have udo, peace. Udo means peace. So when you come to o, you can say olo. Olo. The next one you can say owa. Olo is house. Owa is earth. Okay. Then we have vo. 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 You can say mvo. That is comb, to comb the hair. Mvo. Then you can say vosa, scatter. Vosa means scatter. Then the next letter is wo. Wo. You can say weta. Weta, which means bring. Okay. You can say wepu. Remove. Wepu is remove. Okay. Then we have ye. That is why. Ye. You can say yabase. Onions. Yabase means onions. You can say ye aqua, wear cloth. Aqua is cloth. So when you say ye, it means wear it. Okay, wear. The last but not the least, finally, is z, letter z. You can say za olo. Za, that is sweep. Za, sweep. Olo is house. Okay, za olo, sweep the house. You can say zo ike, rest. Zukwanike, rest. Okay, have some rest. That is zukwanike. So this is the end of the video of the alphabet. I believe you were not bored. I believe it was fun because it was really, really engaging. And I thank you for sticking to the bravo. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Ndeono.